Hello everyone. Daily Arts by Rahul. Subscribe and enjoy watch my video. Like and share your friend. 1. Heart lollipops, sweet treats divine. 2. Bring joy to toddlers, their faces shine. 3. Bright color swirl in sugary delight. 4. Sparkling eyes behold this sweet sight. 5. Held in tiny hands, a treasure to behold. 6. Each lick and giggle, a story untold. 7. Sticky fingers, a happy mess they make. 8. With each lick, their laughter awake. 9. Sweet moments shared with candy's embrace. 10. Heart lollipops for toddlers, a sugary grace.
Baby is drowsy, cozy and fair. Mother sits near in her rocking chair. Forward and back the cradle she swings. Though baby sleeps, he hears what she sings. From the high rooftops down to the sea, no one's as dear as baby to me. Wee little fingers, eyes wide and bright, now sound asleep until morning light.